5 trusted easy side hustle apps to make money in your spare time. There are many side hustle apps that you can use to make extra money each month straight from your phone. Not all side hustle apps are worth your time, but with all the options available, there's something for every lifestyle and financial goal. According to our recent side hustle survey, over 34% of side hustlers make more than $500 per month with their side gig. Swagbucks is a rewards program that has paid out over $385 million in cash and free gift cards to its users since its start in 2010. Once you create a free account, you can begin earning rewards points. Redeem your points for PayPal cash or gift cards to places like Amazon, Home Depot, and Target. You won't get rich with this app, but you can earn free gift cards for completing simple tasks. You can earn Swagbucks points in several ways. Take surveys. Watch videos. Get cash back from shopping online. Use the Swagbucks search engine. Play games. Discover deals. Buy gift cards through Swagbucks. Refer other people to Swagbucks. Inbox Dollars is a paid survey site that you can use to make money at home. It's free to sign up, and you can start making money today. They've paid out over $58 million to users since the company began, and brands pay Inbox Dollars for input from real consumers. They recruit regular people to take surveys, watch videos, and provide feedback on products and services. You can make money with Inbox Dollars by taking paid online surveys, watching videos, shopping online, getting paid to read emails, earning coupon cash rewards. How you make money? Looktastic is an app that lets people play lottery-type games to win money. You have to watch ads every time you play, but otherwise the app is free. How much it pays? The amounts vary depending on the game and your luck. Some users have won as much as $10,000 on scratch cards, but most diligent users earn less. If you like to play games, then Looktastic is a fun way to make extra money for something you enjoy. Gigs on Fiverr start at $5, but you can create upsells and charge more. Fiverr takes a 20% commission, so take that into account when building your fees. Customers can also leave you tips for a job. You can make money on Fiverr by listing special services, such as graphic design, writing, and animation. You can also list less traditional skills such as celebrity impersonations, writing commercial jingles, or giving relationship advice. Postmates is a food, drink, and grocery delivery service that saves customers time by bringing what they need straight to them. Signing up to drive for Postmates is the perfect side gig for people looking to set their own hours. As a Postmates driver, you can earn up to $25 an hour. You can work as many or as few hours as you want, as long as you make at least one delivery every 90 days. You also get to keep 100% of it. You have to download the app and verify your identity. Once Postmates confirms your identity, they'll send out a free bag and a card that you'll use to buy the food with.